So, what if I told you that you could have a real, actual conversation in German in, like, the next 5 minutes? I'm not talking about just a few random words, but a whole interaction, start to finish. Well, guess what? That is exactly what we're about to do. Let's dive right in.
You ready for this? Because we are not messing around. We're jumping straight into the words you can actually use. Forget the complicated grammar rules, forget the dusty old textbooks. This is all about the fastest way to start speaking.
And this is our magic number right here. 10. That's it. Just 10 essential words and phrases that are going to be your entire toolkit for a conversation. It's literally everything you need to start, get through, and then wrap up a simple, polite chat.
Okay, so every conversation has to start somewhere, right? This first part is all about that very first moment, how to basically open the door to any interaction with a bit of confidence.
And here it is. This is the key to that door. One super simple, friendly, and pretty much universally understood word. Hello. It just works. Anytime, any place, with anyone. It's the perfect, no-pressure way to just say, hey, I'm here, let's talk. And just like that, you've started. See? Easy.
So, once you said hello, you're gonna need a way to respond, right? And for that, you've got two of the most powerful words in any language. Ja for yes, and you guessed it, nein for no. Honestly, with just these 3 words we've covered, you can already handle basic yes or no questions. And a little inside tip. Germans often really appreciate directness, so a clear ja or nein is totally polite and gets the job done.
All right, so we've opened the door. Now let's turn this into a real back and forth. This next part is all about adding what I like to call the social glue. You know, the essential words of courtesy that just make every interaction feel a whole lot smoother.
Now, check out the flow here. It's really cool. So imagine someone offers you something. You can say bitte for please. Then, once you've got it, you say danke for thank you. Now here's the really neat part. They can reply with bitte again, which also means you're welcome, or they might say the slightly warmer Gern, geschehen, which is more like my pleasure. You see how versatile bitte is? It's like a multi-tool for being polite. It's this perfect little loop.
Look, life isn't always perfect, right? And conversations aren't either. So, what happens when you need to politely get someone's attention? Or maybe you accidentally bump into them? Part 3 is your toolkit for handling those little moments and making a graceful recovery.
Okay, pay attention here, because there's a really key difference. If you need to get a waiter's attention or squeeze past someone in a crowd, you're going to use Entschuldigen Sie. Think of it as your excuse me. But if you've actually made a mistake and you want to say you're genuinely sorry, you'd use Es tut mir leid. So it really comes down to this. Do you need attention or do you need to apologize?
So, we've started the conversation, we've been polite, we've even handled a little social oopsie. Now it's time to bring it all to a nice, clean, friendly end. Part 4 is all about how we say goodbye.
And just like in English, you've got options depending on the situation. Auf Wiedersehen is the classic, more formal choice. It literally means until we see again, which is why you'll hear it a lot in shops or more formal settings. But if you're with friends or just someone you expect to see again soon, the warmer, more casual phrase is bis bald. See you soon. Using the right one really shows you get the social context, and that's a huge step.
And there you have it. Seriously, in just a few minutes, we have put together everything you need. So for our final step, let's just lay it all out and review your complete, ready-to-use German conversation toolkit.
Just take a look at this. This is a full conversational arc, all in one simple chart. You've got your opener, hello. You've got your answers, ja and nein. You have that core polite exchange with bitte and danke. You've got your recovery phrases for those awkward moments. And you've got 2 different ways to say goodbye. This is not just a list of words, okay? This is a script for a successful, real-life interaction. So there you go. You are officially equipped. You've got the tools, you've got the structure. The only question left is, what's your first German conversation going to be about? Now go find out.